Hello guys, this is Amit Sarkar and welcome to this channel Geography, Society and Environment. Today I am sharing this video with you so that you can know much better knowledge about scientific notation. And you know what? Nowadays, scientific notation method is predominantly used in mathematics and other sciences. So in this video, I am going to show you the procedure that helps you to convert any standard form into scientific notation form and to any scientific notation form into its standard form. Scientific notation is n into 10 to the power a. Here n indicates mantissa, 10 is the power and a is the exponent. This exponent can be positive or can be negative. And you know what, mantissa is ranges typically from 1 to 10. On the other hand, the exponent is also ranges from 1 to 10. Now I am going to show you the procedure by which you can convert any standard value into a scientific notation value. I am writing the value 15, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am going to convert. I am going to reduce this value by using scientific notation method. So for this purpose, you can see that this is a positive value because the value is greater than 1. And to do this, you can follow this. For any kind of positive value, you want to put the decimal value from right hand side to left hand side. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 0 and 9. Then I can write 1.5 into 10 to the power 9. Now I use now I am going to use a negative value, that is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 7. You can see that this is a negative value, and if we convert this value in scientific notation, then we can find and you know what, in case of negative value we have to shift the decimal place into right hand side. So I am going to replace the decimal value and shift the decimal value from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. In the place of 3, the digit form, we can insert point here. So this is the 9 digit here, you can see that. So I can write 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 9. You know what, in case of any negative value, the exponent value must be in negative. So you can see that in that way you can use, or you can apply, and you can convert any standard notation into a scientific notation value. Now I am going to convert any scientific notation value into a standard notation value. So I am going firstly I am going to deal with a positive scientific notation. I'm writing it 5 into 10 to the power 8. So I'm going to convert this scientific notation into standard form. So for this purpose you can write, you can know 5 is the mantissa, so I am writing 5 and 10 to the power 8 means after 5 here I have to write 8 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the scientific standard form of the above mentioned scientific notation value. Now I am dealing with a negative scientific. I'm going to convert negative scientific notation into standard form. I am writing negative on 9.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. You can see that this is a negative scientific notation, and I am going to convert this form, scientific notation form, into a standard form. So for this purpose you can write 9.5 is here in the mantissa, so I am writing here in the right hand side 9.5, and here in the scientific notation form the decimal value was put it here 9.5. So before the decimal value or decimal value I have to write 7. The exponent is 7, that's why I have to write 7 digit before 5 including 9. So before 5 including 9, 9 is plotted, or 9 is already plotted, so I am going to insert 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0, and is the decimal and this is 0. So you can see that the scientific the standard form of this, the above mentioned scientific notation, is 0.00000095. so this is the way by which you can convert any kind of scientific notation value into its standard form, and any kind of standard value into its scientific notation form.